Good morning. I have an update on my nails. First of all, I did paint them red because it was this time. And I made some videos. I already uploaded them and they're scheduled to go out every Wednesday and Saturday just to keep things consistent, Don't want to throw everything out at once. I hope you can hear me. So something happened. One of my nails broke, and maybe this will help you grow your nails longer. What I did was that before my nails, the shape of them was like a nice almond shape, right? And this is the natural shape. It's square. And so what I've been told is to keep the nails almond because that will make the nail polish chip less, and that's true. I've proven that. But when you file it here, see what happens is that you get rid of some of that structure. And so when I started filing that to keep that almond shape, I got rid of that structure, and then this cracked. So this one actually here is cracked, and I got it fixed. Went to a nail salon. They did something really simple. They put algodón, a cotton, on it, and lots of crazy glue. So that kept it intact, but you could tell that it's coming apart. And 2 nails broke, okay? So this one was a lot longer. I also did the same thing where I started filing, filing like right here, see? Started filing the edges to keep that almond shape. And that's when it cracked. Usually when I grow my nails long, I could grow them more than a centimeter. I've grown them like 2 centimeters before. So they were at 1 centimeter, almost every nail. But because I kept, keeping it that shape, they cracked. So anyways, I'm not bummed about it because there are many benefits to having short nails, believe it or not. Like I can type a little faster, but because I haven't been typing as much, in fact, I've been clicking around, I decided to just grow them out. So what I'm gonna do now in front of you, because this is really bothering me, I'm gonna clip this one here, okay? So here you go. Okay, hope you guys enjoy the ambiance noise. Yikes. I did it. Okay. So the plan is, because I do have some nail tapping, I can still tap my nails, but it might sound a little different, okay? The point for me is that it's natural. I'm gonna keep it all natural. I've done acrylic before, I've done esculpidas, but that was a long time ago. I just can't do fake nails. I don't like anything. The extenders where you put a nail over and then you file it down like that's just not my thing. But I do like when they put acrylic over your nail, because that makes your nails, it increases the longevity, I think. But and then to take them off, they grow out, and then you have to fill it in, and ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, this one's scary. You see? Okay, I'm so dehydrated. Yeah. Here you go. Done. I think my favorite type of nails is either like long, or really, really, really short. So I'm gonna start drumming my nails at some point of a request that I got from somebody here, maybe one of the subs. He asked me to drum my nails and drum my fingers and I think clap. And I plan on doing that to a song, depends on my mood. If you have a request, maybe there's a song that I'm skimping on that's very familiar, let me know. If you're watching this long, I do have a rhythmisode where I'm where I'm clapping and snapping my fingers to La Gasolina with Pitbull. Okay, so this one, as you can see, it started cracking too. And that's because I started, oh, you can fail. Okay, it's fine. And I don't think it's good to keep that crack because it could really break into your skin and that will hurt. Anyway, so I had to do this. It's just time. I'm gonna try to grow them out again. I will grow them out again. It's part of the fun. But this time I'm not gonna make them almond shake. I'm gonna keep them my natural square shape. See where that will get me. At least I have nice hands. See, long fingers. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy them being very short and see what I can come up with in terms of a rhythmisode. I'm also have a bedtime story where I'm rolling my R's for a long time. It's all made in Spanish. It's kind of based on a true story, okay? It's about two girls in Vietnam, just hanging out, and maybe you'll learn a little bit about Vietnam and the sushi tunnels. Okay, so there you go. Gross. All short. Okay, I'm gonna have some breakfast now. And while I'm working, in between work, I'm gonna file these down, repaint them, get a nice fiery color. I'm digging this nail color, by the way. This red, I really am. There's Niziela, I forgot. There's a girl who snaps her fingers a lot. She's amazing at it. So she's the one who recommended red, and finally doing it, keeping it red. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah.